This is the time of year where it's all about gift giving, and what better gift than the gifts you give yourself, am I right? I really had a fun time this past season embracing the challenge of finding creepmas decor items at stores, online. So I have some really fun things to share with you all. First of all, I have an unboxing. It has been such a long time since I actually did an unboxing on this channel, so I thought what better time when I have one of my first subscription boxes come in the mail from Twisted Allure. So now is the time. Let me tell you, I am a sucker for good packaging, and this is cute. And I love that they also give you a little, I don't know, spoiler card with the listings of everything I have on there. So I'll keep that here, but I believe there are 5 items that came. I specifically subscribed to Twisted Allure this time of year because I wanted their December box. I was imagining, since they do it by themes, that it would be like a Christmas horror kind of vibe to it, and I was not wrong, thank goodness. So just gonna start picking out stuff from here. So the first thing that comes up here is this horror decor bubble bath. It has some scent notes of sparkling cranberries, juicy cherries, and hibiscus. That sounds, just by the words, amazing. So I'm gonna open this one up and see if the scent matches the notes here. Ooh, yes, I definitely get something that's like light but juicy, fruity, but I do get that floral bit with the hibiscus. So the horror decor, that's fun, that's unique. I'm not used to that. And this packaging has like a little Frankenstein and mummy and jack-o'-lantern ornaments on the front. I'm so excited. I really don't have anything that's like Christmas horror in terms of bath and body products, so this was much needed. Even if I don't get through them all this time of year, I know from previous experience that these things do stand the test of time, like a full year, but they're still smelling fine, which is the ultimate test of a product still being usable. Okay, let's keep digging in here. The next thing I grabbed out of here is this creepy Christmas sugar scrub that is the scent, I always want to say flavor, but the scent of candy cane cupcakes. This one has a little bit more of a subdued packaging to it, but you do see these really cute, creepy little ornaments. Ooh, that is so freaking delicious. Oh, that is heavenly. Very, like, I get the cupcake for sure. Like, it's a very sweet candy cane, not like too much peppermint. I think peppermint is more like the lighter note in this one. Oh my God, these are so freaking amazing already, and I've already smelled 2. Okay, so I'm gonna get the Jolly Jack body spray pulled out of this box right here. And this says it has notes of fresh mint, greens, oak moss, and musk. Oh, that smells so fresh. Oh, but like it does give me a little bit of seasonal, like it's not, you know, a fir or a balsam kind of scent like you would think of a typical Christmas tree, but I do get seasonal. Like it doesn't feel like it's just like this fresh, like summer, spring kind of scent. I get something that's a little bit more like, you know, winter tree vibe, but not so much where like I feel like I'm walking around smelling like a candle. And of course the packaging on this makes me think of Jack Frost, not the family friendly movie, but the, you know, B-movie horror slasher that's iconic and a must watch. So if you haven't seen that, get to that. Ooh, and then making our way over here, I'm gonna pull out the body lotion. So funny, it's called Alive and Kraken. It is the little Frankenstein dude right there as a little nutcracker. And this has notes of raspberries, oranges, and pine needles. Okay, that last one, very, very intriguing to me. I'm absolutely obsessed. Absolutely obsessed. Okay, I can't stop. I can't stop. I've had the lotions from them in the same kind of container, and they've lasted me for forever. Like I just finished the one that I got. It's like a cotton candy scent, and it has like a little killer clown on the front. But I got that cotton candy killer clown lotion from Twisted Allure in November, and I just finished it this past November. So this one little container right here, if you're using it, you know, on average at least once a day, maybe, you know, a little less, it could last you up to a year. So really good investment, and I really like that. I love this flavor. Scent, I love the scent because I will not be consuming it. And we have the namesake of the entire subscription box here, which is the Haunted Holidays hand soap, and it has the same kind of art as what you see here on the spoiler card, which is fabulous because it's gorgeous. And honestly, a lot of these items that I purchase from companies like Twisted Allure are almost like bathroom decor for me. They're just such a vibe setter. So actually what I'll do is at the start of each season, for example, like if it's Halloween, I have all of my bath and body and care products all under in one kind of drawer in my bathroom. And then like, for example, when Halloween season is upon us, I'll take out only those specific kind of bath and body products, whether it's the packaging or the scent, and I'll place those, you know, on my countertop, in my shower. So I'm a big diehard theme person, not just in my content, but also just like in my daily life. Like it be me. But this one is hot cocoa. Oh shit, that smells like hot chocolate. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is not a light scent. That is not subtle. Like they went for this. Oh my goodness. Woo, I don't know what I think about that, but I for sure think that is hot cocoa. That is hot cocoa. And while we're talking about Christmas goodies, I thought it'd be the perfect time to share with you some of my favorite items that are either Christmas horror or horror adjacent that I've been loving this season. Definitely something that has been a huge favorite of mine this Christmas season has been my newfound Christmas earring collection. I'm wearing one of my favorites right here. This is obviously the Abominable Snowman, aka Bumble from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. These earrings are from Undoubtedly.mad, which is a very small business that makes these by hand, I believe. Whatever they do over there, they do a fantastic and amazing job. But the bulk of my Christmas earring collection definitely has come from Femmedebloom. She also has Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer earrings, which I could not pass up. She has ones from The Nightmare Before Christmas, like the little evil wreath that has like the fangs. I have adored that motif for the longest time. And then I actually did have two from last year that came from the Betsy Johnson line that's available at like Home Goods or like Marshall stores. Another Creepmas favorite of mine this season has been any item that I could find that features the Abominable Snowman dude from the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer movie. I wish you could see my home because he is everywhere. Like I went a little hog wild this season, but to be fair, there were other things in the store that I could have purchased and I didn't. So I think I did show some level of self-restraint there. There's also mugs and any kind of like ceramic dishware that I kind of just don't use to store anything, but I just have it for decorative purposes. And I found it mostly from TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods. But my all-time favorite Bumble item that I picked up this season has to be this guy right here. He just brings me so much joy. The best part about him, and what people don't know, is that he's actually a pet squeaky toy. What I actually do is I just place him right next to my two other pillows and my seasonal blanket on my couch. So he's kind of like a little couch pillow. And anytime anybody comes here, they're always just playing with him. You know, they're smiling, like he just is the cutest thing ever, and I argue is very Creepmas because he's like the villain of the Rudolph story. I've also had several Creepmas items that I brought into my home this year that are huge favorites of mine that are ornaments. Behind me, I have my little black Creepmas tree, and I purchased that one last year after Halloween, but what I was really missing is mini little ornaments to put on it because I guess I could put big ornaments on, but I think I just wanted something that, you know, you could add a lot on there, and if they're smaller, there's more to be added. I saw that Five Below had a nice little set of about like 4 or 5 ornaments that are from Hallmark, but available through Five Below. They had a little Zeros, little Oogie Boogies, a little Jack Skellington. It was really cute. And I put them on there and they've just brought me so much joy when I mix them in with some of their like little sparkly or shiny ornaments. This one is very popular. I feel like if you've been keeping up with Creepmas decor, you've seen this one on Instagram or YouTube. It's available through Target. It's from A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens, and there's other ghosts and also Scrooge as well that's in this little like kind of squishy plush ornament. My sister got the whole set and she'll read the story to her son and then she'll have him point to the actual ghosts on the Christmas tree that they're just like hanging. But I just wanted the, you know, the Ghost of Christmas Future just because he was the most like macabre and dark looking one. And then my last favorite ornament from this year is actually a gift from my partner who gave me a little Halloween gift that's perfect for also Christmas as well. This Madame Leota ornament is pretty heavy, pretty substantial. It's from a Hallmark line, and if I get the right little power cord or whatever, it could actually light up, and I think it has some audio to it as well. But honestly, I think it's cute just hanging on a tree, but I actually have been putting it underneath my little Creepmas tree on the side with some other Haunted Mansion stuff and Nightmare Before Christmas mixed in, because it makes me really think of the Haunted Mansion holiday overlay ride that I went to for the first time this past Halloween. So it just gives me good vibes when I put anything Haunted Mansion and Nightmare Before Christmas together. My last Christmas favorite here is a board game. This one is called the Donner Dinner Party, a rowdy game of frontier cannibalism. I am that one friend in my friend group that typically hosts any kind of game night, any kind of, you know, friend gathering. For my holiday party, I had us do a few things, and one of those activities was playing this game. And let me tell you, people loved it. There is a teensy bit of a learning curve with it, but I felt like once we got through at least like the second or third round, it was like clockwork at a certain point. For this game, it's the winter of 1846, and you are a member of the ill-fated Donner Party wagon train. Halfway across the Sierra Nevada mountains, you have been snowed in. When the food runs out, there's no other choice but cannibalism. Who will avoid becoming tonight's dinner and make it off the mountain alive? It's pretty silly, but it was really fun. And those are some of the things that have really been making this time of year very magical and wondrous for myself. So if you had anything like that for you, I definitely would love to hear about that down below in the comments. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, definitely leave a little snowman emoji down below too. I'm thinking this will be one of the last videos I post in 2023. With that being said, I hope you're having a very warm, cozy, and comforting time as we transition from one year into another. I wish I can give you all hugs, and thank you so much for being here, your presence as I share, so much of my life and myself on my YouTube channel. I'm wishing you nothing but all, the 5-star books and the most enjoyable movies in 2024. I'll see you all on the other side. Bye.